Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear WhatsApp storage on an iPhone. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the settings icon. This will open the WhatsApp settings menu. Next, in the settings menu, tap on storage and data. Here you will see different options related to your storage usage. Tap on manage storage. Now you will see how much storage WhatsApp is using on your phone. Below this, you will see an option to review and delete files that are larger than 5 MB. Tap on this option. WhatsApp will show you a list of all files larger than 5 MB. You can go through these files and delete the ones you do not need. This will help free up space on your iPhone. Once you have selected the files to delete, confirm the deletion. After this, your WhatsApp storage will be cleared, and your phone will have more free space. This is how you can easily manage and clear WhatsApp storage on an iPhone. Thanks for watching.